Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up Google Analytics on your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now for this, first, of course, you're going to need the Google Analytics tracking code, which I currently don't have access to, but let's just pretend that I do. And what you need to do with that code is you need to enter it into the footer section of additional code under the SEO settings within Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the builder, and what you need to do is you need to go into your settings. From here, you just need to go into the SEO section, and as you can see here, you have the site description, the meta keywords, the footer code, header code, and you can hide site from search engines as well as do 301 redirects if you want to. But pretty much what you need to do, as you can see here as an example, you can use the Google Analytics tracking code, paste it over here into the footer code. So let's just pretend that I have, I don't know, tracking code, click save, and now we have that code over here. Now, if it were valid Google Analytics code, just entering it here would just provide you with the connection that you need. I forgot if you need to do anything on the Google Analytics side of things. Pretty sure you don't need to. However, you can check that for yourself, but that is pretty much all you need to do on the Weebly side of things. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.